subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I do lots of good things. Little bit mischief. So, let's see how we get energy to do all this. Watch the video.
Hi, have you ever noticed how do we get energy to work, to play, to run? Yes, the food we eat. Our digestive system helps the food to be divided into energy and waste product. This system in our body is a very complex one and a very fascinating one too. The main parts that form our digestive system are our mouth, esophagus or the food pipe, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the rectum and the anus. We all know food enters our body through the mouth, but the most interesting fact is that our digestive system begins its process even before we eat. The smell of food makes us mouth watering. Many of us might have experienced it. Yes, the salivary glands secrete saliva when we inhale the smell of food. When the food enters our mouth, our teeth begins chewing activity. Chewing activity includes both cutting and grinding. The tongue mixes the food with the saliva. Now the food is broken down into food particles and pushed into the throat. A long muscular tube called the esophagus or the food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach. The food particles are pushed down using a mechanism called the peristalsis. The tube above the food particle contracts and the tube below the food particle relaxes. This repeated process of muscular contraction and relaxation causes propulsion of food particles, and they enter the stomach. Inside the stomach, the acids and enzymes break down the food into smaller food particles and then turn it into a thick fluid called the chyme. The next part is the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into three segments: the duodenum, the jejunum and the ileum. The bile juice from the liver and the enzymes from the pancreas enter the duodenum. The thick fluid enters the first segment of the small intestine. The bile juice and the enzymes help in further breakdown of this liquid. The second and third segment absorbs the nutrients from the chyme and passes it to the bloodstream through the walls of the intestine. Now the leftover waste is sent to the large intestine. Here the water is absorbed and stool forms. Then the stool enters the rectum. When the stool enters the rectum, a feedback sent to our brain makes us aware of a need to a bowel movement. Then the stool is sent out of our body through the anus. From the time the food enters our mouth and is excreted as waste, it takes approximately 30 to 40 hours of time. This complicated process takes place without much thought. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Meet you all soon. Bye.